Hello everyone, welcome back to class. Today we will start new chapter. The name of the chapter is Simple Machine. So in your daily life you are seeing different types of machine, no? You are seeing different types of machine in your daily life. And this machine help you in different way. Machine helps you in different way. So it help you and make your work faster. What work you are doing by your hand, you will do with machine, then it will make your work faster. Yes, a machine can be defined as a tool make our work easily by helping us to overcome a large force by applying a less force and effort. By applying less force and effort, we can get a more quantity of last thing they will apply to me. That is known as a machine. So when we think for the machine, what we think, usually think many types of machine we are seeing in your home. So let's come now, today we will see some different types of machine which you are having in your home, and this machine help you in different work. Okay, now come with me and we will see the different types of machine. What you see, this one is a TV, no? And this is, what is this? This is freeze. What you are seeing, this is a freeze. Yes, this is, what is this? This you are seeing, it is a freeze. Yes. Okay, what is this? This is freeze you are seeing. And this one, what you are seeing, this is a TV. This is TV. Yes, this is freeze. Now come, let's look other machine also. What is this? This is an oven. Yes, this is, what is this? This is oven. What is this? This is cooler. What is this? This is cooler. Yes. What is this? This is washing machine. What is this? This is washing machine. And what is that? This one, what you are seeing? This is water filter. These all are machine, no? These all are machine. This machine help you in different work. What is this? This is a grinder. What is this? This is grinder. Yes. This is, what is this? This is grinder. Okay. Now come, let's see other machine also. What is this? This is a AC. What is this? This is AC. What is that running there? Fan. What is this? This is fan. These all are different types of machine we use in your home. Yes, AC, fan, and I have shown you what? Freeze. TV. What is that? TV. Yes, TV. Okay. Then freeze. Yes, freeze. So these all are different types of machine we are using in your home. And beside this different machine we are using, this is also, what is this? This is a broom. What is this? This is broom. Yes, you have seen broom. Yes, this one is a broom. Okay. So what we are doing, we are using different types of machine in our daily life. We are using different types of machine. So this machine, which one we have seen? Washing machine, refrigerator, TV, etc., fan, washing machine. These all are known as what? Complex machine. These all are known as complex machine. And broom, you have seen that broom. Yes, scissor and stapler. These all are known as what? Simple machine. Understood the difference between simple and machine and complex machine? Whatever things you have seen or whatever things you are seeing in your home, Example, grinder, TV, freeze, cooler, AC, fan. These all are known as what? Complex machine. These all are known as complex machine. And scissor, broom, yes. Stapler, what is that? This one is stapler. Stapler, yes. Scissor, broom, I have shown you that things are known as a simple machine. This machine, what does machine do? It makes our work easy. Yes, you have seen that it makes our work easy. How? Because washing machine, if you will wash this much cloth with your hand, it will take more time. And with washing machine, if you will wash it, it will take less time, and it can wash your clothes neat and clean. Okay. So machine make our work easier and faster than us. So machine, nowadays we are using a machine. So these all are simple machine. These all are known as a complex machine. Okay. So two more simple machine working together. Think like a stapler, scissor, broom are also a machine. These are simple machine. So now you will know about the simple machine. Now I will deal with the simple machine. Okay. So simple machine make our work easier in the following way. How does the simple machine make our work easier? Some ways are there. With that, simple machine make our work easier by increasing the amount of force applied. By increasing the amount of force applied. By changing the direction of force applied. By changing the direction of force applied. By increasing the speed of doing work. By increasing the speed of doing work. Okay, understood? So now you will know the types of simple machine. How many types of simple machine are there? There are 6 types of simple machine which you will learn in this chapter. Understood? So today what you have seen? Today you have learned about a simple machine chapter, and you have seen some, I have shown you some complex machine. Washing machine, refrigerator, TV, freeze. These all are known as a complex machine. It makes our work easier. And I have shown you some simple machine also. Broom and stapler, scissor. These all the simple machine. These all are what? Simple machine. What does machine do? Machine make our work easier, and less effort we have to give, and more work we can get with the help of the machine. Understood? So simple machine, about simple machine make our work easier, and some ways are there. What are there? By increasing the amount of force applied. By increasing the amount of force we are applying. By changing the direction of force applied. By changing the direction of force we apply. Or by increasing the speed of doing work. By increasing the speed of doing work. So it is clear, and I have told you that there are 6 types of simple machine, and this 6 types of simple machine, next class I will tell you about that. Okay, today this much only. Okay, bye bye to everyone.